the CEO of ENGIE Energy Access. My role is to lead the three companies that are combined in this entity. So Mobisol and Fenix were SHS companies, and PowerCorner is a minigrid company. It's a very, very interesting role. It's a complex one, it's a complete one, and a very rewarding one, because we have a direct impact on the quality of life of our customers, and also have the opportunity to increase the economical growth in sub-Saharan rural areas. We have at the moment 1.2 million customers and 1.7 thousand employees. My journey in solar industry goes back to some of the things I did in renewable when I was in Asia. Then I worked on solar project in the Middle East, in Oman. Then came back to Belgium for energy transition, where my colleagues and I were looking at solar penetration in Africa, Western and Eastern. And when I saw that this position was open, I really jumped on it, because I think it's combining all of those aspects, plus the impact on the life of people. It's one moment that I spent with one of our customers. It's a mother of two kids, a boy and a girl. She was explaining to us that before knowing our product, she was buying candles to light during the night and offer the opportunity to her kids to study. But she had to choose every single night who from the two, the boy or the girl, would study. Since she is using our product, she said that she had no more the choice to do. So both of them can study together, and she's very happy with it. And I can tell you, when I was facing this lady, that it's quite a moving testimonial, and it makes me even more willing to progress further and to do more for them. Speed, acceleration to deployment of solution, to increase the regulation that, or to ease the regulation that would make, for instance, minigrid a reality faster. Minigrid are allowing us to go into productive usages and income generating activities, which means that we are offering the opportunity to entrepreneurs to develop their own business. For instance, water desalination, water purification, oil palm production, a miller, a welder, a hairdresser, a restaurant, etc., fish drying. So if the regulation can be simple enough and the go-to-market efficient, then we could create much more mini-grid. We have 180 in the pipeline that just wait for the final approval of governments to get out of the ground and start delivering electricity and economic growth to the region where we would be. Africa is an ideal continent for solar. The irradiation is great. The size of the countries is also quite big. There are opportunities for centralized solutions connected to the national grid. As I was saying, we did some studies in the past with my team to see how we can optimize the highest penetration of renewable possible, depending on the countries or the interconnected countries. The second one could be this middle market where we do CNI, so commercial and industrial, like electrifying rooftop of factories, gas stations, etc., in order to have a direct impact on the consumption of those industrials or commercials. And the last one is what we are doing. Penetration of renewable for the population, rural, but also urban. There are a lot of opportunities, just need some, let's say, triggers or changes in the regulation and ways of doing the business in order to accelerate it.